संघर्ष किया दिला दी. Hello people, hi guys, this is Samantha Jimmy624 and my wife.
Hello everyone, welcome to this channel and thank you so much always for supporting us and watching us and
Subscribing us.
Subscribing us.
And today we came over here for a trailer reaction of her favorite hero. What's the name of it?
Akshay Kumar.
And name of the movie?
I'm sorry, Lakshmi Bomb.
Bomb. It named like the burning.
Oh, so it's a special one for Diwali.
Yes. Came over here for a trailer reaction of movie named Lakshmi Bomb of Akshay Kumar and Kia Advani. And the most interesting thing about this movie is going to be released. I think it's
In
in
cinema
Diwali.
halls?
No, it's not in cinema hall. It's going to be released in Disney Hotstar. And most of the movies are getting
But
released.
I heard that cinema halls is going to be open from today.
I don't know what will be the government's situation after this. Let's see if they're going to release in theaters. It's better, but my point of view, it's better we sit at home and watch it in our
I
home.
really miss watching movie in the cinema halls.
Me too.
Oh my god. Such a nice time and memories. Yes.
Yeah, and the childs were
together.
crying at the backside, and the lovers at the corner of the scene.
Oh my goodness. No,
Okay.
I'm not talking about those things.
Okay, leave those things apart. So let's talk about the movie. This is a remake of a Tamil movie named Muni 2 Kanchana, which came in 2021. And
21?
Sorry, 2011. My mistake. Like this corona affected everyone, even my brain also. So I think I have seen this movie Muni 2, and this movie is a comedy horror, and there are so many other casts are there. I will put it in the description below. So without wasting any time, let's go for the trailer reaction.
Yes.
For the trailer reaction right now. Hotstar.
Multiplex.
ये भूत भूत कुछ नहीं होता है।
पता चला?
जिस दिन सच में मेरे सामने भूत आया ना, तो मां कसम चूड़ियां पहन लूंगा चूड़ियां।
Churiya.
Julia means
Bangles.
bangles.
Burj Khalifa. Wallah.
अरे रत्ना देखा जरा कौन है? अरे मैं आपसे मिलने आया था, पतिया को प्यारे हो गए। कौन हो भाई?
ये बाहर के लोग नहीं हैं।
Oh,
ये मेरी फैमिली
cool down, auntie.
शराब कब से पी?
I missed the vibe.
कल रात मेरी काली परछाई देखी।
इस बीमारी को सियोफोबिया कहते हैं।
सियोफोबिया।
शैडो यानी परछाई से डरना। सबसे बड़ा भूत तो यही है वो परछाई।
आसिफ, वो मेरी पिताजी है।
आसिफ?
प्रेस करने आए हैं, भूत भगाने नहीं आए हैं।
डराते क्यों है सबको?
Anything try? Oh. Hi, hi.
अच्छी लगी हो। I love you। छोड़ मुझे, हाथ क्यों लगाता है? शर्म नहीं आती?
Mucho वाला सविता आंटी.
जिस दिन मेरे सामने भूत आया ना, तो मां कसम चूड़ियां पहन लूंगा चूड़ियां। बहुत बोलने लगे तुम लोग। इसने चूड़ी क्यों पहनी, हल्दी क्यों लगाई, साड़ी क्यों पहनी? तू ही बता मुझे, अगर तेरे को कोई ऐसा हाथ लगाएगा तो तू उसको क्या करेगी? हाँ, मारेगी कि नहीं उसको? हाँ? हाँ। मैं इसीलिए
Ay, qué chale. Queen size.
Queen size.
Oh my god.
Oh. I think this ghost is of a transgender when you eat like this.
ये बहुत जरूरी काम करने आई।
funny है. शंकर्स की याद दिला दी.
क्या रे तारे दिख रहे हैं मुंह टेढ़ा हो गया है ए अश्विनी तेरा पति है ना हरामी
हरामी.
टेढ़ा है पर तेरा
तेरा
है
है. He's rascal, but it's yours.
लक्ष्मी
Lakshmi Bomb. What do you think about the trailer?
So it seems that he doesn't believe in ghosts.
Yeah.
And he's just trying to keep everyone calm and tell them that okay,
There's nothing called
there is
ghost or
nothing
something.
like ghost and this and that. And in between, he just wanted to confirm everything. So he started to
Investigate?
he just swear. He just swore to his mother's life. Okay, that he said if
Your Hindi is
there
getting
is a-
better and better.
Yes, getting better. But it has subtitles.
Yeah.
That's why. He actually swore to his mother's life to if I see a ghost, if I believe in ghosts, I'm gonna wear bangles. Okay, so yes, exactly, bangles. Okay, so what happened? Something happened that I don't know what was that. Was that? And
He made it try.
He drank some tea, and after drinking the tea, he transformed to a lady or someone like a transgender or whatever. Okay, so he became a woman, and he got the bangle because he swore, and I think something happened, some curse.
Like he has a soul of a feeling.
He
inside,
might have got curse, okay, and he just transformed to the lady,
Yeah.
and or it may be a different story, like a soul of someone came to the
His body.
frame of his body, so he's now behaving like this. So the story is a horror comedy, and it is so cute and lovely because this kind of amusements are totally different, and it's the first time I'm watching a movie from
Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar in the shape of a woman, means he has become a woman, and he's become a woman, and he's totally different. So I always thought that if he's gonna one day be a woman, like previously I thought that if he's gonna be a woman, how
will
would,
definitely
how
look
he
like
would
this.
yeah how he would be exactly, how he can behave, and how he can show his full of his
Feminine
full art,
character.
feminine character, and
Like
his art.
Ashwini.
Yeah, and he actually how he can represent how he can represent himself as a woman, okay, and as an actor, because I believe in his acting, and I believe he is not like just simply a guy who just came in front of the camera. He's a perfect guy in acting and in cinema, and I love all his movies. I love all his characters, and I love all the roles till now. He has done many movies.
Yes.
Okay, and
I think
watched
he do
each
around
and
6 or 7
everything.
movies a year.
And I watched each and everything, and I love his playing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love his work, really. He's a real actor. So, according to me, this is also can be a wonderful
Movie.
movie from him. And I'm really impatiently waiting for the movie to be released.
Released, yeah.
Yes. What is your idea? about it?
If it's get released in theater, it will be better. But I prefer to stay at home and watch it. Okay, and I really request people to go and download this Hotstar
Yes.
and get the subscription. I will put the description at the below. If you want, you
Yes.
can get the Hotstar from my description
Yes.
and buy the subscription and subscribe to our video also. We didn't took any money from Hotstar, but we're doing the free promotions. So this was our reaction on the trailer Lakshmi Bomb.
Love his sari. You remember the way he was just wrapping
Adjusting
the
the
sari
sari.
and just so happy with bangles, and
putting the pallu at the back.
Yes, and you know all the mentality
All-
of women that okay, wearing sari and showing the hairstyle different and doing
we
makeup.
say this nakhra like this.
Yes, yes, and just showing bangles and be happy with his jewelries and just be so obsessed about men's touch.
Yes.
Okay? It's so funny to finally see him as a woman.
Yes. So this was our reaction on the Lakshmi bomb. So that's it for today. If you like our video, do subscribe it and do share it with your friends and family, and do suggest us what else video you want us to do this reaction. Okay.
Yes.
Till then.
Bye bye.